Hey, Amber, Carrie and Walter look sick. Is there a flu outbreak? Wearing a mask is a good idea. Hey, robot ambulance, are you here to help Amber? Yikes, she's gone crazy. Mask coming right at you. Careful, Tom. Robot ambulance is acting crazy. And Amber is hurt. Let's take her to your garage. Let's do the inspection. Your broken hubcap needs to be replaced. And you broke your headlights too. But Tom is here ready to fix you up. Let's remove the broken hubcap. Time for a new one. Do you have the right one for Amber? That's the wrong color. That's the one. You know yourself well. Lastly, a new headlight. Don't let Amber beat you this time. Yes, that's the right one. Amber is finally back to her old self. Ready to go after your crazy robot ambulance? Tom must be up to something. Aha! A mask dispenser to help you give out the mask. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye for now. They badly need the mask. Carrie, Walter, get ready for your masks. Bullseye. Uh-oh. Crazy robot ambulance is here for your masks again. Quick, use the mask dispenser. Don't take what's not yours. Hey, Matilda. Hey, police robot. Let's patrol the city. Hey, no littering in the city. You can't get away from the police. Police robot, watch out! Oh no, she's acting strange after that crash. Hey Tom, police robot is hurt. Can you fix her up in your garage? You'll need to act fast with the inspection. That crash broke your arm. And you're about to lose your antenna. Tom, you better start right away. Let's detach the broken arm. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. Phew, that was close. Tom, get it quick. The broken antenna is causing a malfunction. Let's hurry up. Oh no, not again. Oops, robot police actually picked the right one. Great, let's fix the antenna. Good job. She is finally back to normal. Ready for your patrol with Matilda? Tom is up to something. Cool. A slime gun to stop offenders in their tracks. Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Look, police robot is back. Jerry needs to be stopped. The slime gun will be much faster. Bullseye! When faced with a problem, choose the best solution. Why is Dr. Zig in such a hurry? Oh no, he has stolen Matilda's donuts. You almost got him. Yikes! You're not armed for a freeze ray, Matilda. Cool moves. Watch out! Hey, Tom, Matilda got frozen. Can you help her? Let's fix her up at your garage. You should start the inspection. Your hubcap is broken. But Tom is up to the task, right? Let's unfreeze her first. No, a drill is too dangerous.
Yay!
Yikes! It's too hard even for the hammer. How about the hot water?
Oh!
You did it! Let's replace the hubcap. A wrench is perfect for the job. Great! Time for a new hubcap. Do you have one for Matilda? Nice! That's the one! Yay! Matilda is finally back to her old self. Ready to go back and catch the villain?
Hey.
Tom, do you have something for Matilda? Aha! A shield to protect you. Thanks, Tom. Bye-bye. Get him, Matilda. Freeze ray is useless against Matilda's shield. Time to give up, Dr. Zig. Your ice puddle is right behind you. Frozen by your own freeze ray. Always act safely in dangerous situations. Oh no, it's evil Carl Tickle Truck. Wonder what he's up to. Hey Gary, are you picking up the trash? Huh? Give that back. Yikes, Gary's getting angry. Watch out! Hey Tom, evil Carl Tickle Truck had an accident. And he's still unconscious. Can you repair him in your garage? Shall we start the inspection? His bumper is broken. Whoa, what a huge dent. Are you up to the challenge? You should better start. Oops, watch out. That bumper won't unscrew itself. You'll now have to press the good button first. Try stretching out your arm from a distance. Yay! You did it! He's good again. Do you have the right one?
Hey!
Yes, that's it. Finally, that ugly bump. A hammer is perfect. Carl Tickle Truck is finally back to normal. Are you ready to be a good citizen? Looks like Tom is up to something. Aha! A special arm to press the good button, just in case you turn bad again. Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Go on, Carl Tickle Truck. Help Gary. It's okay. He's good now and wants to help. See? Nothing to worry about. Oh no, he turned evil again. The special arm saves the day. Hey babies, what a fun game. Hey Crocomile, that ice cream looks yummy. Oops, sorry Crocomile. It was an accident, right babies? Oh no, watch out babies. Hey Tom, there was an accident and Crocomile slimed the babies. Can you help? Let's tow them to your car wash. Let's free the babies first. Yay! The water gun worked. Time for inspection. Ooh, slime. And slimed tires. Tom, we better start. To start us off, the roller arms section. Babies, ready for some tickling? So much fun. The slime is gone. Bubbles incoming. Whoa, let's burst them. A good scrub will clear the remaining stains. Don't get carried away by the bubbles. Yay! All the mucky slime is gone. It's shower time. Ah, how relaxing. Wow, look at your sparkling clean bodies. Finally, a dryer to finish it off. Enjoying the breeze, babies? You're now perfectly clean. Ready to go out and play? Looks like Tom has something else for you.
Yay!
Aha! A tennis racket just in case Crocomile strikes again. Thanks for your help, Tom. Bye-bye. Let's see who can spray the most water. Oops. Sorry, Crocomile. It was an accident. Barry, quick, use the tennis racket. Look out, Crocomile. Babies, let's help him so he knows we're sorry. Here comes a very hungry baby. Chili wants your biggest ice cream. He's not impressed. Looks like Chili wants more. The baby already has enough ice cream. You should refuse. Oh, Carrie, don't you ever say no? Carrie, that's too much. Whoops. Are you all right? You can't serve the best ice cream in Car City covered with stains. You should see Tom at his car wash. Carrie couldn't say no to the baby. Now she needs a shower. Vanilla stain? Not a big deal. The strawberry stain is sticky. It requires some attention. Some ice cream balls didn't melt. That's going to be challenging. Let's get you clean. Carrie is excited for the wash. That's already much better. That's too much soap. Time for the shower. Watch out, Tom. The water is cold. Ah, relaxing, isn't it? Don't worry. It's just the rolling arm. The vanilla stain was easy. The pistachio and the strawberry stains are going to be hard. This step can be ticklish. The pistachio stain needs some extra effort. Finally. And now, your favorite step, Carrie. Let's get you dry. Thank you for a great wash, Tom. Carrie can now get back to serve the best ice cream in Car City. Wait, Tom still has something for you. And apron? That's great! A magic apron? That's even greater! See you next time! Here's your favorite ice cream. Jilly wants more. That's enough ice cream for today. See? That was easy. The magic apron is protecting you from stains. Hi, Skylar. Oops. Clumsy Skylar. It's not the first time this happens, is it? It's too far. You'll fall in the pool. Oh, no. Skylar? Phew. Tom is here to help. Tom will tow you to the car wash. The cement on your back is not dry yet. Easy to wash. Are you ready, Skylar? You'll need to be quick before the cement hardens. Let's do it. That should take care of some of the wet cement. It works. You can open your eyes now.
Wow!
Looks like this stain dried. You need some soap, Skylar. It's tickling, isn't it? Time for a shower. Let's see if the soap got rid of your stains. The stain on your head is gone.
Whoa!
The dry cement needs more effort. You're getting some results there. The dry cement is cracking. It still looks dirty. The tire looks clean now.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
It's too hot.
Whoa!
Much better. You look shiny.
Yay!
Wait, Skylar. Tom has something for you. What's under the cover? Wow!
Hey!
A giant Hoover.
Wow!
Skylar can use it to save things that fall into cement. Goodbye, Tom. And thank you. Uh-oh. No need to worry. You have the right equipment. Here's the cone. Always focus on the work at hand and keep distraction away. Nice Halloween costume, Barry. Are you out trick-or-treating? Hey, Matilda. How's Halloween night going? Oh, no. It's your evil twin, the police robot. Nice. She's no match for you. Be careful, Matilda. There's a spider web lurking in the dark. Watch out!
Aww.
Hey, Tom. Matilda needs your help. You better fix her in your garage. Tom, time for inspection. Your bumper really felt the impact of the crash. Ouch. That scratch looks painful. But Tom will fix you up. Ready to start?
Yay!
Let's give you a new bumper. Okay, Tom. Can you pick out the right size for Matilda? How about a bigger and stronger one instead? Yes,
Yay!
that's perfect.
Yay!
You're definitely stronger. Now, let's paint that scratch.
Way!
What paint color does Matilda need? Great, that's the correct color.
Hey.
Now you're ready to paint. Great job. Matilda feels much better now.
Oh,
Matilda is ready to go and catch her evil twin. Looks like Tom is up to something.
Oh.
yay!
Oh.
Aha! Night vision binoculars to see things more clearly in the dark.
Ooh.
Are you looking for the police robot? Wonder who that is. Yikes! It's the police robot trying to trick you with her cowboy hat. She won't get away this time. Uh-oh! The police robot hasn't seen the spider web. Good thing you saw it on time, Matilda. Happy Halloween!